Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. Today is Friday, March 22nd. I'm in Lake Havasu. Gonna take a long drive today. Going to go a few hundred miles and then back to Quartzsite. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you along. We'll check out a few sites along the way. First stop will be Lake Havasu. I come up here not too often, about once a month. Usually have to get supplies. They got all the big stores here, Walmart, Home Depots, Lowe's, Big Lots. They got car dealers here. It's a big small town, we'll put it that way. Very touristy. It's definitely RVers in the winter, but also all summer long, boaters everywhere because of the lake. Extremely popular with the boaters, even in the heat. This place gets, oh my goodness, in the 110s, 120s in the summer. But people don't care. They got the big lake to jump in. Another thing about Havasu, this is Arizona 95. It's the only road going through here. And you got dozens and dozens of traffic lights, just like this one. And you will wait too. Some folks will go up the California side to bypass Havasu because of all the traffic lights. And when you come up from Quartzsite, all the big stores are on the north end of town, so you got to go all the way through. Oh well, it's really not awful. It's just sometimes it can get a little congested is all. But you know what? We're here, got time. Let me make a right here. I'll give you a little sightseeing tour. I wasn't planning on it, but why not? It's only a little after 8 in the morning. I don't know if you know, I'm sure it's been well publicized for a long time. The London Bridge is here. So let's go drive across the London Bridge. They got this all tore up. They were working on this big time. This is what they consider their downtown area. Off to the right, there'll be a bunch of stores and shops that goes up for about a half mile or so. I forget the name of the street. Anyway, we'll make a left here and we're gonna cross the London Bridge. I have done several videos on the London Bridge. I'll try to dig them up. It's been a while since I've been up here. I haven't been up here for a good almost 2 years. At the bridge, been in Havasu. Okay, see where the flags are? That'll be the start of the bridge. There's a memorial right there on the right, dedicating the guy that brought it over. Okay, here you go. This is the London Bridge right here. Almost makes you want to have a cup of tea. I had to say that. Anyway, we're going across. Underneath is a channel, side channel from the Lake Havasu, full of water. Alrighty, there you go. You just crossed the London Bridge in Lake Havasu, Arizona. Let's turn around, we'll do it again. There's hotels and restaurants that line the bridge here and the channel. Real touristy, but kind of cool. I mean, you can sit and have lunch, look at the boats and everything. All right, here we go. Hang on. Crossing the bridge again. Yay. Look at the flags. Real calm day. There's a park down below. Heck, I got time. Let's run down there real quick. I'll do a quick walkthrough. The shops probably won't be open, but you can. I'll show you the bridge from the underneath, and you really get a good view of it. So let's go ahead. It's on the other side. I got zigzag through some traffic here. Oh boy, they really got this tore up. I wouldn't want to be down here during the day later on. Heavy traffic in this area. A lot of people drive through here. Okay, we're kind of circled back around. This is Arizona 95. We're going to go across. It's called the London Bridge Park. Straight across here. We'll make a left up here. Off to the right, too, is the London Bridge Flea Market on the other side of that shopping center. That's a big time swap meet, too. A lot of people go there. I think it's only open on Sundays. Well, that motel there's new. I don't remember that. Okay, off to the right will be the bridge. You can see where the flags are straight ahead. It's free parking. They don't charge. There's no charge to get in here or anything. Heck, we're about the only ones here. Let me get parked, switch cameras, and we'll go take a walk. Go see the London Bridge. Alright, here we go. There's the bridge over there. We just crossed it. Amazing backstory. You know, there's a museum with all kinds of info here, too. Millions of people have been here. This is extremely popular from all over the world. Pretty smart bringing this thing over. Okay, we'll go through the gates. Always like the waterfall fountain. Very pretty. Usually they have it shooting up higher. Just tons of little shops. Get a burger, ice cream, t-shirts, souvenirs. All kinds of gifts, that kind of stuff. Okay, there it is. There's a London Bridge. They brought that over brick by brick. They marked them, took it apart, brought it over, reassembled it. Isn't that amazing? 100 plus years old, whatever it is. Definitely go to the museum. If you come to this, the museum's right down the road, and they got a ton of pictures, how it was built, video, stories, all that. Little movies you watch. It's not too far. It's only about a quarter mile from here. Okay, let me give you another look here with the sun hitting it. That's a better picture there. Get turned around here. There you go. There's the London Bridge. See the color of it better. Looks good, huh? This waterway here, this was dug out special for the bridge. This is not part of the lake. It's a channel, side channel. It's not real deep, but this is where, and you can rent a boat. My goodness, there is every shape and size boat you can think of. Canoes, kayaks, paddle boats, power boats, skis, jet skis. You name it, you can rent it. You can bring your doggy down here and walk it. Most people do. I used to bring Scooby down here a few times. There's all the houseboats you can rent, little party boats, rafts, all kind of inflatables there. Not too bad. It's pricey though. There's all the jet skis and kayaks. No thanks. Had boats forever, for over 20 years, and I prefer big ones with engines. But there it is. There's the London Bridge. You seen it here. Okay, up here's where the tour boats are. There's a Indian casino on the California side of the lake. They shuttle people over, I think once an hour, twice an hour the boats run. Go over there, spend a day, spend your money. But they do that constantly, 7 days a week. But it's definitely on the California side. And it's considered part of Lake Havasu as well. It's the size boat I'm talking about. I wouldn't mind driving that one. All aboard. Okay, head back up to the van. Gotta keep trucking. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little trip down at the London Bridge in Lake Havasu. Okay, next stop is Home Depot and Walmart. Then from there I'm gonna head on north. This trip is gonna continue. This will be, I'll probably make this into like 3 different videos. Picture perfect weather. It's supposed to be mid-70s, around 80. Very little wind. The best of the best the desert has to offer here in March and April. Alright, continue on. This is once again Arizona Highway 95. We're heading north. And out here is all the big businesses, all the big stores, car dealers, boat dealers, RV dealers. I mean, everything's out this direction on the north end. The other side is mainly residential. Hey, here's my stop. Home Depot's on the left. The journey will continue. Stay tuned. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.